All right, listen up, trainees. This briefing is going to walk you through the official path for every single soldier in the Royal Army AI protocol. You should think of this as your personal map, the one that'll guide you to mastering the entire system and ultimately rising to a position of command. So, let's get right into it. What you're about to see isn't just some dusty old rulebook. No, this is the complete blueprint for your career. It details every single step, from your very first day all the way to the highest levels of leadership. Your journey starts right here, right now. The whole thing is built on a solid foundation, something we call the System of Ascension. And it's designed with just one goal in mind: to make sure every soldier is rigorously tested, proven in their skills, and clearly recognized for their expertise. So you're probably wondering, how does this all actually work? Well, it all boils down to these three pillars. First, for each rank, you'll work through detailed certification checklists. Second, you'll have to prove you know your stuff by passing some pretty demanding promotion exams. And finally, all your hard work gets recognized through our visual authority system. So let's start the journey and break it all down rank by rank. Every great leader starts by mastering the fundamentals. It's non-negotiable. This first phase of your career is all about building those core competencies out in the field, transforming you from a brand new recruit into a truly skilled non-commissioned officer. Your very first objective is achieving the rank of AI Private. This is all about becoming fluent, and I mean fluent, in our core platform. You're going to master the essential tools, things like the Smart CRM and the Conversations Inbox, which are really the lifeblood of our daily operations. Once you can prove you're proficient, you'll earn that AI Private Certified tag. Next up is AI Corporal, and here the focus shifts a little bit. See, it's no longer just about using the tools, it's about helping others use them effectively. You'll need to master the help desk playbook and become an expert troubleshooter. This is where you prove you can solve problems for the entire team, even when the pressure is on. Earning your stripes as an AI sergeant, well, that's a major leap forward. This rank is all about one thing: automation. You're going to move beyond manual tasks and learn to command the system itself, mastering workflow logic to automate entire processes. The key takeaway here is that at this rank, you become an efficiency multiplier for the whole Army. With those foundations secure, you're now officially on the path to command. The next ranks, they aren't just for people who execute tasks. No, they're for those who design the very systems our Army operates on. As an AI captain, you become an architect. You'll be designing the machinery that drives our success, building everything from funnels and landing pages to really complex, orchestrated workflows. At this point, you're not just using the system anymore, you are actively building it, shaping it. The next rank up is AI Major. Now, if a captain is the builder, think of a major as the optimizer. Here, your battlefield is data. You'll dive deep into analytics to refine our systems, develop scaling strategies, and you'll have to prove performance improvements with cold, hard numbers. Finally, we reach the highest echelons of command. These ranks are reserved for the strategic thinkers, the ones who oversee the entire platform, making sure it's secure, stable, and ready for future growth. The AI kernel acts as the guardian of the entire platform. Your perspective zooms way out, from individual systems to the whole ecosystem. You'll be responsible for the full architecture, security, and regular audits. And a crucial part of this role is also mentoring, making sure the next generation of leaders is ready to take command. And at the very pinnacle stands the AI General. This is not just another rank, it is the ultimate authority. A general has mastered every single tool, holds the power to certify others, and is responsible for setting the strategic direction for our entire protocol. This is the final objective. So, we've walked through the path and all the skills you're going to need. But how do you actually prove your mastery and earn these promotions? Let's dive into the mechanics of how we're going to evaluate you. And this is the question that truly matters, isn't it? I mean, it's not enough to just say you know something. You have to be able to demonstrate it. Our whole system is built on a clear, objective process for proving your competence. We actually use our own tools to test you. Your promotion exams are delivered through funnels, your answers are captured in forms, and then automated workflows instantly analyze your responses to tell us if you've passed. It's a completely automated and, more importantly, an unbiased system. Let's look at a real-world example. To earn the rank of AI Corporal, you won't be answering some simple multiple-choice questions. No way. You'll face 10 different help desk scenarios. You'll engage in 3 live troubleshooting simulations,
And you'll have to provide a detailed written explanation of a workflow. This is a comprehensive test of your actual practical skill. And the standard is high. For every single promotion exam, the passing score is 85% or greater. There are absolutely no exceptions. We demand excellence, and this is how we measure it. Now, passing the exams is the critical step, but it's not the last one. The final pillar of our system is making sure your rank and authority are instantly recognizable to everyone. This is all about your visual identity within the protocol. As soon as you earn a new rank, a corresponding badge gets automatically assigned to your profile. And this is more than just symbolic. This badge will be displayed everywhere, from your contact record to our internal dashboards. Your authority is made visible to everyone. And here is the official reference chart. Every rank, from AI Private all the way up to AI General, has its own unique badge tag. This system completely eliminates any ambiguity, making it crystal clear who holds what level of authority and expertise. So, that's the blueprint. Every step, every test, and every reward has been laid out for you. The path from where you stand today to the highest levels of command is clear. The only question that remains is, are you ready to walk it? Are you ready to lead?